Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Abhishek and today we are just going to discuss a very most important concept that is called what is GPT. So friends, in a market, everybody is talking about that is artificial intelligent tools GPT. So let's understand what is GPT one by one. So when you just go everywhere else, so nowadays you are able to see दैट सिंबल. ये सिंबल जो है वो आप हर जगह पे देख रहे हो, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं कि चैट जीपीटी. ये एक आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंट टूल्स है जिसको रिसेंटली बनाया गया है, रिसेंटली लॉन्च किया गया है. और इसमें पिछले 2 या 2.5 साल का जो भी प्रीवियस डेटा है उसको फीड कर दिया गया है. चैट जीपीटी का यूज जो है गाइस, यू कैन यूज इट for many perspective, like you belongs to business community, still you can use a chat gpt. If you are a student, still chat gpt is very useful for you. If you want to learn any language, still chat gpt is very useful for you. From the codings, अगर आप कोडिंग्स करना चाहते हैं, अगर आप कुछ सीखना चाहते हैं, अगर आप कुछ लर्न करना चाहते हैं, अगर आप आपके ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स को फिगर आउट करना चाहते हैं, तो चैट जीपीटी इज वेरी यूजफुल. इट वर्क्स लाइक अ मेंटर फॉर यू. आपको किसी को भी, किसी टीचर्स को, किसी लेक्चरर्स को कोई भी डिफिकल्टी हो, कोई भी चीज हो, पूछने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. अगर आप चैट जीपीटी को आपका क्वेश्चंस पूछ लोगे, एट द नेक्स्ट मोमेंट चैट जीपीटी विल आंसर यू. दैट इज अ फॉर्मेशन. देखते हैं आगे. सो व्हाट इज चैट जीपीटी? Chat GPT is a generative pre-trained transformer GPT. A GPT is a language and language model. Chat GPT क्या है students? So Chat GPT एक language model है, which is an AI algorithm designed to understand and generate human-like language. ये humans की जो भी language है उसको understand करके फिर इसका answer जो है ये execute करता है. Create conversations for practicing. So now students, today I'm just making this video from the language perspective, means how we can use that chat gpt to learn language. So students, if you are having a problems to create conversations for practicing, so you can use this application. Like how we can use it, हम कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं. like, अगर इंग्लिश में सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज होता है कि ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स को फिगर आउट करना. So for an example, if you are confused that whatever the constructions you have, whatever the sentence you have, and that is not grammatically correct, so you can tell to the chat gpt and chat gpt will answer you. For an example, अगर आप chat gpt को बोलते हो कि I have went to the market or make it grammatically correct, so it will answer you like I have gone to the market. So इस फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में जो भी ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स थे वो इसने फिगर आउट करके आपको राइट आंसर्स दिया. सो फ्रॉम दैट पर्सपेक्टिव, टू करेक्ट योर ग्रामेटिकल कंस्ट्रक्शंस, chat gpt is very useful. Let's move ahead. Now if you want to beautify or simplify your text, then this is the second use of chat gpt. like, अगर आपके पास कोई सेंटेंस है और जिसको आप नॉर्मल वोकैबुलरीज में लिखते हो, और अगर आपको उसी सेंटेंस को ब्यूटीफाई करना है, एक एडवांस जोन में लिखना है और उसको एक काफी ज्यादा टेक्सचराइज करना है, स्टिल चैट जीपीटी इज वेरी यूजफुल. इसमें एक फंक्शन है ब्यूटीफाई और सिंप्लीफाई योर टेक्स्ट. फॉर एन एग्जांपल, अगर मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है राम वेंट टू द मार्केट, ही बॉट अ फ्यू फ्रूट्स, ही लाइक्स टू ईट मैंगोज, देन हाउ इट वुड आंसर मी? स्टूडेंट्स अंडरस्टैंड, चैट जीपीटी मुझे आंसर करेगा लाइक राम strolled to the vibrant market and indulged in a delightful shopping experience. He carefully selected a variety of luscious fruits, and among them were some succulent mangoes, which happened to be his favorite fruit. From that very advanced manner, with the advanced vocabulary, it would answer me. That is a second benefit of beautify or simplify your text. Let's move ahead. Third is called learn English concepts. If you want to learn English concepts, many concepts are there, so you can use chat gpt. Learn English concepts means every day we get a new vocabulary in a language. Like, there is a noun, there is a verb, there is a construction, there is a tenses, there is a modal auxiliary verbs, there is a synonyms, there is a antonyms, there is a idioms and phrases, and so many things are there. So as soon as everything new vocabulary gets updated in a English language, so chat gpt showcase us and we can learn many English concepts from chat GPT. Next use is learn vocabulary. As usual, if you want to be a good communicator, if you want to be very fluent, you want to speak fluently in English, so vocabulary is a very important topic for all of us. So if you want to learn new vocabulary, so you can use that function also. Next, use it for translation. As usual, if you are having a problems in a translation, so we just do it, we just go on a Google, open it, and then after that we write up one sentences, and then after that we translate it. But students, in a chat GPT, it takes very small time. You have to just talk the sentences, and at the next moment it would translate it and would give you the right answer. So use it for translation. That is also very good options. I really loved it. Next, if you are facing a problems like job interview preparations, so what the questions you have, like for an example, if I'm having a doubts about the salary discussions, how to negotiate a salary, if I'm not aware about the types of interviews, so if I ask to the chat GPT how many types of interviews are there, so it would answer me like there is a telephonic interview, sequential interview, groups interview, panel interview, behavioral interview, one-on-one interviews. So it would answers of your each and every question just like your mentors. So I would strictly recommend you to use that application. That is a job interview preparation. For that perspective also we can use it. So that was a chat GPT, students. I hope you must like it. Means you like it, and I would like to request you, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.